Jai Hind. It's a very common complaint from the students that they feel lack of concentration, lack of focus, and because of that, their output is not as much as they put in. And this is a very serious kind of problem uh, because we are having 24 hours and certain hours you are devoting for studies, and you are not getting corresponding output, then and you are not able to recall the things whatever you have gone through. So this gives a lot of frustration amongst the student. Though this is a very common problem, most of the students are suffering, but it is very important to address this problem at the right time and in the right fashion, because it is going to affect your overall performance in terms of everything. You are aspiring for important exams, then this is something where you cannot bargain, you cannot negotiate. Friends, lack of concentration and lack of focus, the genesis of this lies in the theory that the mind and body both are not aligned properly. Mind and body are not integrated properly. It may look weird, but this is the fact. Your mind and body both are not working for the same cause. And take the example, if you are reading a book or you are reading something, your body is involved in reading, but your mind is flickering, your mind is going somewhere else. That means mind and body both are not on the same page. They are working differently. And this is the genesis of weak concentration and lack of focus. So you have to address this issue. Breathing, the breath is the connecting link between the mind and body. And once you are feeling that body and mind are not together, it's because you are not aware towards your own breath, your breathing. Because breathing is such a regular phenomenon, 24/7, entire life we keep breathing, and just because of that, our focus and attention, we switch off from there. The right way of breathing is something that is having four important parts. I mean, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, and then inhale. And all these four portions should have the equal time duration, 1:1:1:1:1. The time you are taking the breath in, hold for the similar period of time, then exhale again, same period, and then again hold. See, breathing, the basic mechanism behind breathing is you inhale oxygen you use in the oxidation of the glucose, which is the final product of entire digestion and the food processing which we have. And during this oxidation, lot of energy gets released, and this energy we use in different activities. And in the oxidation process, carbon dioxide also gets released along with the energy. And this carbon dioxide, CO2, is not good for the body, and you have to flush it out. And you can only do it when you are giving a certain period of time for your lungs to flush it out. So the way I said, you take equal time when you are inhaling and exhaling, that means you are flushing out the entire carbon dioxide which has been generated out of your body. Friends, for improvement of your awareness towards your breathing and to make it better, you have to start yoga. Yoga itself means that that means integration of something means mind and body. And this integration, I'm not talking about yoga is having very unlimited dimensions. I'm not talking about that, nothing complicated. I'm talking a very simple way of explaining whatever is required for the students. I'm talking about that much only. For yoga, you can take out 40 minutes in the entire day, preferably in the morning, and in this 40 minutes devote 10 to 15 minutes for physical exercise, because by doing this your breathing pattern will become normal, and after that you go for the yoga and mainly the breathing exercises. You can do Kapalbhati, you can do Vastrika, you can do Anulom Vilom, or any other breathing exercise which you have learned. The target and the purpose of all breathing exercises from all the school of thoughts are same. The philosophy is same. Friends, if you are doing this, then you are moving slowly ahead towards this integration of mind and body which I have talked about. And this will bring your concentration, this will improve your focus, and if you are having a better focus, then you can have a better productivity, better output. Things sound simple, but it's very, very important to adopt. Friend, I promised in the previous videos that I will help you out to make a good regime, and today's video is also part of it. I am talking about yoga. Yoga should be the part of your regime. Dedicate 30 to 40 minutes regularly on the regular basis, and trust me, take my words that these 40 minutes will give you definite dividend, will give you the return. It's very, very important, and things are very easy. You don't have to need and to create any infrastructure. You can do wherever you are, because it's all about related to your breathing. You can do this in your room as well. Friends, think yourself. It is something which you have to ponder about. You have to think yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected, stay healthy.